Okay, hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Today is actually Tuesday, May 18th. And from the last video, you saw that I was thinking about returning the Speedy 25 bandolier in the By the Pool collection. I did return it. It took me a couple of trips to our LV boutique here in Texas because they are literally out of stock on everything that I could possibly want. And then the second time I went, they ended up pulling out one of the bags that I had been wanting and researching, and it is not in the monogram. You guys know that I own everything in monogram print. That's just what I've always collected. And so I wanted to change things up and wanted the damier bean print. And so the first time I went to go return the bag, they didn't have anything I wanted, so I kept the bag and brought it back home. Then I went a few days later, which was last Friday, and I walked in. I'm like, I'm just gonna return it and like just have them order one of the bags that I want from another location. And then it just so happened that they did have the bag. I don't know if it, like I said, they were so limited on items. I don't know if the bag was actually returned and then like it was just there randomly, because I had been looking online and it kept saying out of stock, out of stock. And so I get the bag, I bring it home, I got the matching wallet to it because it is in another print. It is in the, like I said, damier bean canvas, which is a treated leather. And the print is very nice. It's like carefree. You don't have to like worry about it, you know, the Bacchetta getting like stained with the rain and blah 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 blah. You guys already know. If you own a Louis Vuitton, you know. Sorry if it's shaking. Oh my gosh. So I bring it home, and then hubby hates the print. He does not like that print. He loves the monogram, and he's like, I can't believe you got that. Like, I just like, so now I'm second guessing myself on this bag. So I'm going to show you the bag that I ended up exchanging the Speedy 25 bandolier By the Pool. So give me one. Okay, so I took it out of the box. This is, of course, again, the dust bag. You guys, I don't know what I'm going to do. This is called the Sienna MM and Damier bean. It's not the PM, it's the MM, and I really love it, but he's got me like thinking, I don't know. So this is the bag. I think she's beautiful. I like the pleats in the front and the back. This one in the back does not say anything, but the one in the front says Louis Vuitton Paris. I forget what they call these. But anyway, they're embossed with Louis Vuitton on both sides. They're a little bit larger than any other bag. It's got the D-rings on the side in all gold. It doesn't have any feet on it, hardware, to where, you know, if you set it down anywhere, it's not gonna like ruin the canvas. But that's okay, because I don't ever put my purses on the floor. It's got like these little flaps on the side. I don't really want to touch them that much because like I said, I don't know if I'm going to keep it. I'm so crazy. But I love the handles because you can wear it on your arm like this, or you can just hand hold it. The zipper is really nice and smooth. The inside has one pocket on one side where it says Louis Vuitton Paris, and then on the other side it has two pockets. So you can see right here it says Louis Vuitton Paris. Those are all the tags. And then on the other side, which is the back, the front side, has two pockets as well. It also comes with the crossbody strap or the shoulder strap. As you can see, I still have all of this stuff on it because I don't know if I'm going to keep this one or not, just because, like I said, my husband has me thinking that, I don't know. So it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 holes so that you can adjust it to your liking. And the hardware is gold. As you can see from the last video, I'm not even worried about touching this bag because it's such a carefree bag. I'm not even worried about staining it or anything because of the canvas. And then the inside, like I said, is red. It's not suede. I think they call it like textile lining. Yeah, so this is the purse. Let me know, you guys, like, I love it, but are you a demi a bean print girl or the monogram? The next thing that I ended up getting was the wallet to match that, to match the purse, because he had gotten me a monogram wallet for my birthday back in March for all of my monogram purses. So this is what this looks like, or what it's in. And then this is the wallet I ended up getting. It's got like the red little, what do you call these, leather tassels, whatever you want to call it. And it's again the demi a bean, and it's called the Clements wallet, and it's red on the inside. It's got a pocket on this side, and then it's also got a pocket on the other side, and it's also got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 credit card slots. On the inside it does say Louis Vuitton Paris, and then the coin pouch is really cute because it's got the same print and it's all gold. And then this is the inside of the coin pouch. So like I said, I was super excited when I walked in the second time trying to exchange my bag and they had this bag in stock, because it was one of the ones I was actually looking for besides the Speedy 25 bandolier in the demi a bean. But now that he's got me second guessing myself, I don't know if I'm going to keep this one now. So it's a bummer because I did go back yesterday, which is my third time going, and they had absolutely 0 monogram prints in stock. And so I don't know, they're supposed to get stock in today and Thursday, and the CA that I'm working with is off today and she'll be in on Friday, so she's gonna let me know what they have in. If they don't have anything in, you guys, I'm just gonna keep this. I'm just gonna keep it and just call it a day. And you know what, it's a different canvas to add to my collection. I really love it. I tried it on, the crossbody works amazing. So that's what I ended up exchanging my other one for. So let me know in the comments down below what you think. Yes, I know it's my purse. I will be the one wearing it. But tell me what you guys think. Is it a classic? Should I keep it? Should I don't know. Anyway, I'll see you guys in the next video.